Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to enable the earthquake location and notification in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings and search for the safety and emergency. There is a earthquake alerts. Yep. And that is the earthquake alerts. So earthquake alerts aren't available, not supported in our region. Yep. This is some information about this. You can enable it, and your phone gonna be alert you when the earthquake gonna be here. See the demo. That's it. So test earthquake, 41 kilometers away. Drop, cover, hold. Whoa. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Don't miss every earthquake and be healthy. Bye.